At Lumenalta, remote has been in our DNA for 20 plus years, and managing an exceptional standard of quality product and care for our client success is core to what we offer our clients. The question is, how do we do it? We embrace developer diversity, fostering innovation through varied perspectives and experiences. We invest in every team member by providing a high-performance coach to help set personal and professional development goals and continuously develop skills year after year. Our coaches focus on creating a common understanding of the pillars of communication, typical pitfalls, and offer strategies to solve them. We look back and gather data, tapping into the pulse of the company through surveys, interviews, and team meetings. And finally, we look ahead and take action, setting proven standards within teams and delivering targeted training to strengthen essential skills. Instead, we make it easier by becoming a technical extension of your team, creating an environment where innovation thrives and developers excel, ultimately leading to success for our clients. At Lumenalta, we don't leave developer success up to chance.